channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called fried celery with pork. The main Chinese name called 芹菜炒肉丝. And the main ingredient we need the seven pieces of celery. I already washed it, and close to 1 pound pork. You can use maybe just less than 1 pound. Either's okay. And 1 teaspoon of ginger, chopped ginger. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the celery. We cut this part off. We don't need this part. You can cut them off and cut this off. Those we don't need it. And then the celery we cut like this. We cut it like this. So the celery be like this. So like this. This celery we get. Okay, we cut the pork. This pork is the pork shoulder. So we cut against the fiber because if the pork leg when you cut it very thin slice of meat, you need to cut on the direction of the fiber because it's very tender. But this one is not very tender, so we will cut it against the fiber. You see the fiber meat is like they grow like this. We just cut against the fiber. Try to cut as thin as possible. So we fry it as a meat. We taste texture, taste easy to chew. And then when we cut it thin, we cut it like this. So it be like this. Be like this. The final one be like this. Those meat we get, thin sliced pork. Turn the stove, medium flame. Put the pot on. And this time we add when the pot is warm, we add the vegetable oil to add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. And raise the pot. For the thin sliced pork, we don't need to wait the oil is hot. We just added the meat into it. So this way the meat will keep the thin sliced pork, the meat more tender. If when the oil is hot, you put it into it, then the thin sliced pork will not tender. It's hard to chew. So this is the trick part. So we use a low flame to fry the pork until the pork is fully cooked and the fat in the meat mostly come out, then we add the celery into it. Now you can see a lot of water in the meat come out. So this time don't add anything, just slowly cook, let most fat come out from the pork, and the liquid, this water is gone, just the fat and the oil left in the pot. Then we will do the next step. We just slowly fry until the liquid, the meat is fully cooked and the more fat come out from the meat. You can see the liquid is gone. Just right now, it's just fat and the oil left in the pot. So right now we added the ginger into it. We add a teaspoon of the ginger into the meat. Yeah, usually fry this this dish. You don't need to have this much meat, because I separate the meat. This is the big piece. I want to use it all of them, so I add more meat. So the meat and the celery, you can decide how much you put it. You can make the balance if you want more meat or you want more celeries. This is the 13 spices. If you don't have 13 spices and use the 5 spices, or just add a little pinch black pepper. Just add some. Don't add too much of the seasoning oil. Okay, when most of the liquid is gone and just the oil and fat left, we just turn the fire to the high fire. And add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to it. You can see the most the liquid is gone, just the meat, fat, and oil in the pot. And the meat, you can see most of the color change, the meat color red change, like it's become white. So we add the celery into it. You can fry it. This is the salt. We add, I think this much. We add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. This is the chicken soup mixed mixture. We add a pinch to it. Don't add too much. You keep frying. We add a 1/4 cup of water into it. Cover the lids and let it cook until the celery becomes soft. Okay, we try the celery. It's good. It's very soft. It's good. But still crunchy. The meat need to cook. So this dish is done. We turn off the fire, turn on the stove. This dish is done. So the fried celery with pork, this dish is done. And I hope you guys like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. See you next time.